In 1509, a pivotal figure was born in France whose influence would ripple through the centuries. His name was Joãozinho, although history knows him better as John Calvin. After graduating in the arts and law, Calvin underwent a profound spiritual transformation, inspired by the writings of Martin Luther. This revelation deepened his commitment to the Christian faith and set him on a path that would define his legacy. Expelled from France and seeking refuge in Geneva, Calvin embraced his exile with scholarly fervor, dedicating himself to theological studies. His life took a dramatic turn upon meeting Guillaume Farel, who implored him to serve the church, prophesizing that God would curse his studies if he did not heed this call. This encounter left Calvin unsettled and unable to find peace in his solitary scholarship. Embracing his destiny, Calvin returned to Geneva with renewed purpose. He began pastoring a church and delivering numerous sermons each week, drawing from various texts. He founded the Geneva Academy, a center for training preachers of the Reformed faith. Under his guidance, the Academy thrived, symbolizing the resolve to transform fledgling believers into formidable proponents of the new faith. Calvin's influence extended beyond his sermons and theological writings. His works, especially his commentaries on almost every book of the New Testament, have left an indelible mark on Christian thought. Despite the lack of detailed knowledge about his conversion and the mystery surrounding his final resting place, Calvin's enduring legacy is a testament to his unwavering dedication to the glory and sovereignty of God. The essence of Calvin's theology continues to resonate today, shaping the practices and beliefs of modern churches. His intellectual rigor and spiritual insight have profoundly impacted Christian doctrine, ensuring that his contributions are remembered and revered. As we reflect on Calvin's life and work, we recognize the profound debt owed to his extraordinary mind and unwavering faith. Until our next exploration, let us appreciate the enduring influence of such a remarkable figure. In sum, John Calvin's life and work remain a cornerstone of Christian thought and practice. From his early days in France to his impactful exile in Geneva, Calvin's intellectual rigor and spiritual dedication forged a path that continues to guide and inspire. His theological contributions, particularly his New Testament commentaries, have profoundly shaped the landscape of modern Christianity. Calvin's legacy is not just a historical footnote, it is a living, breathing influence that pervades contemporary faith communities. His commitment to the glory and sovereignty of God has left an enduring mark, challenging believers to deeper reflection and more fervent devotion. As we conclude this exploration of Calvin's life, let us carry forward the lessons of his unwavering faith and relentless pursuit of theological truth, honoring his memory by continuing to build upon the foundation he so diligently laid.